welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how I created this look using the new subscription box that I got, which is called the Makeup Box from Vegan Cat. So this is how it looks like. Just a little bit of information about this subscription bag. So this vegan makeup bags, Vegan Cats actually have few different subscriptions. So they have some snacks subscription, beauty, and makeup bags. So on the other video, I'm gonna unbox with you guys the beauty box that I received. But for this video, I'm specifically trying on some products that came into the Vegan Cats makeup box. Just a little disclaimer, I actually received this makeup subscription box to review and to share with you guys my thoughts, and I'm really grateful to be able to receive these products because those are the products that I wouldn't normally go look for the store or find in my local store, or even on the online stores that I get all my makeup products. So I'm really grateful to be able to test out all this product and to be able to share with you guys my thoughts. So the makeup bags actually is a quarterly subscription, so that's every 3 months, and it delivers full-size vegan and cruelty-free makeup that match each season, so which amazing. So from lipstick to mascara, deluxe nail lacquer, they got all you need covered and well customized bags based on your beauty profile. So just a little bit more brief description about brief information about the bags before we go on. So there's gonna be 4 to full size products in the box, but in this box that I got, there's actually an extra product here. And all the products in this subscription box is 100% cruelty-free and vegan. They focus on organic and natural makeup, which is amazing. Paraben-free, free shipping in the US, and it ships to Canada for $9 or international for $15, and you can cancel anytime. So let's go on, dive into the box. So when you open this is how it looks like. Oops. And when you open it, it comes with the information card, and then this is all the products that comes in. This box actually has a value of $148+, and you're only purchasing this for $39.95, which I find really amazing, especially just the fact that this is all natural and cruelty-free and vegan products. I think that this product is a steal. So I'm actually gonna show you guys each product, and I'm gonna test out all products at the same time. So let's go into how I created this makeup look using all the products inside the Vegan Cats makeup box. Okay, so let's start off with skincare. So I already wash my face and use toner, and for moisturizer we're gonna use this Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. This is good for dry, normal, and combination skin. It's an organic seaweed moisturizer, hydrates, firms, protects skin from environmental stressor, perfect under makeup and sunscreen. So you can use it dry or night, and it's vegan, gluten-free, and no animal testing, so it's cruelty-free. So it's very really liquidy texture. It has very interesting smell on it, but it's very hydrating. So next, for our primer, we're gonna use this product from Evelyn Ayanna Green Tea Primer. This is how it looks like. So this comes with the box as well. This is prep and protect your skin using this hydrating antioxidant rich green tea primer. Reduce the look of lines, pores, and create a smooth canvas for makeup that will last all day and night. So this is how the consistency looks like. Ooh, it's very runny. I personally like anything green tea, so I feel like I put a little too much. Okay, so I am back. So I just finished putting all the foundation on, and this is how it looks like now. So now we're gonna go set our face using this Ofra translucent powder. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows. So now let's move on to eyeshadow. So we're gonna be using this 100 Pure Fruit Pigmented Satin Eyeshadow. This is how it looks like. This is the best eyeshadow, individual eyeshadow packaging that I've ever seen. Like, look at this. It's like amazing. So when you open this, and this is the product. So, and this is in the shade Halo. So pigmented. So this is the shade. And then let me swatch it for you guys. Look at that. It's too bright, but it's so pretty. Let me swatch it better so you guys can see. So that's how the eyeshadow looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on. So, and this one I find it's easier to apply with just fingers. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, how gorgeous is that? So I just pop on some lashes with my bronzer and then blush, and now we're gonna move on to the last product, which is this Inika Organic Certified Organic Lip Tint. So this is how it looks like, and this is actually a lip tint in Cosmic. So this is for soft, nourished lips with a hint of color. Patch test before use. So a colorful certified organic lip tint that promises soft, smooth, and hydrated lips. So this is how it looks like, and I got the shade Cosmic. Let me swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks like. It actually smells good. There's like a little bit of minty smell on it. It's a very light, beautiful light red shade. It actually do what it says, that it's very smooth and hydrating in your lips. Like, it's like hydrated my lips, and it's buildable as well. If you want like a very you know, darker shade, you can just add more. This is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup video where I try new products. So if you guys are interested to get your hands on this, I believe there's only few boxes remaining. So I'll make sure to link down below, and also their Instagram. So yeah, so if you're into like vegan and even cruelty-free, paraben-free products, I'll definitely recommend for you guys to check this subscription box, because I really enjoy this. I really enjoy each and every products in this box. If you guys want to know and stay updated, I always post on my Instagram and my Facebook page. So if you want to get updated on what's going on, and I also do Instagram story, so make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll make sure to put my link all on the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.